sana ako ilang paslit train na to. Ang dilim sa ay naku, sana ako ilang paslit train na to. Ang dilim sa naggalala po sa
It's so special. All I is when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You never go. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
It's only one time happened to me. I missed my train in Japan. So I need to go back. But that was long time ago. So I don't want to happen again. Only one time. Hi, bye. I'm live. Are you nearby here? Driving somewhere. Oh no, thank you. Yeah, I'm just going to catch bus or I go to my brother's shop nearby here. So are you living nearby or? Tukli? Okay.
No, but that
Yeah, I know.
This is
What's your name?
not introduced.
Yeah, it's Facebook. On my Facebook. Well, okay, have a good night. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Maybe I'm just going to catch the bus. I don't know if somebody can pick me up. I left my car. I left my car. Is this live? Oh yeah, it's live. Hello. I don't know if somebody can pick me up today. I left my car in the house. I'm waiting for the bus. They have taxis here, guys. See? I'm not going to get taxi. I'm just going to borrow the bench. It's winter, guys. See? It's really warm. Pretty cool. Maybe she thought I'm going to get a taxi. She thought I'm going to get a taxi. Oh, this one is more good. There's a taxi there. I'm waiting here. That old man offered lift, but no. Never in my life I asked the guy to drive me home. I'm not going to sit to any I'm not going to sit to any man's car. I want the handle. Unless really I'm desperate. Unless I'm really desperate, I will accept the offer to drop me home. And especially first time First time met somebody, no way. I'm scared. I remember in Japan, somebody, the ticketing, I bought a ticket going to Australia. He likes me. When I get the ticket from him, we have something in the tower, restaurant bar tower in Japan, in Tokyo. So he issued my ticket at the time, and then he drive me home. Oh my God, guys, I'm scared. He asking for a date. Oh my God. Well, you know, I'm not that person. Because somebody like me will going for a date. No way. I'm not desperate to the man, guys. Okay, see you later. I'm going to smoke.
Hi guys, this is the bus time. Bus time from train station.
Good evening, everyone. Another selfie. Oh no. We are in McDonald's.
Into my tricep in my back.
Hello, 5454. Not ready yet. 5454. Okay, alright. That's good. Listen to it. You can order here, guys. The machine self-service. And that's where you can see it. Five, 4, 5, 4. Oh, sorry. 5, 4. Don't you know? Ba, 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 ba. That's where we begin. wala pang ligo. Five four, 5-4. Oh, sorry. I think it's KFC. I'm sorry. There's a time I'm... Oh my God. I think I'm really bit tired. Suppose the pickup is KFC. I'm here at McDonald's. Oh no. Yeah, and my car over there. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. How many times happened this to me? My pickup is KFC. I went to McDonald's. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Who's watching there? Noel. Chris Ako. Thank you for liking. Hi, shout out to Noel. Walter. Beckerly Bale. And Chris Ako. Shout out. Do I know how to shout out? I mistake. Hello. 5454. Yeah. I went to McDonald's. Thank you. This. I think I'm getting old. Suppose pick up KFC. I went to McDonald's. Guys, I'm out of my head. I'm out of my head over you. Out of my head over you. Out of my head day and night. Night and day and night. All right. I'm over my head. Kaya nagkamali ako ng pickup. Napunta ako sa McDo. KFC pala. I'm over my head. Over you. Over my head. Over you. Over my head. Day and night. Night and day and night. All right. Christ. This is my car, guys. White car. Is this cream jacket? Nearly white. I can't believe. Hi, Noel. How are you? Chris Ackles. Not that really that cold tonight, guys. Anyway, car have heater, so not that really cold. What happened? Only two of you, my pants. Hello. Okay, I'm going now. See you again later, guys.